Welcome. In front of me I have the Xiaomi 17T Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, before we actually get started with the reset, there's one thing that I do want to talk about, which is backing up your device, as resetting your device will delete all of the data that is stored on it, which includes things like your photos, videos, application, contacts, messages, and documents, anything along those lines. So it's basically everything that you have put on this device after the setup will be completely removed, and if there's anything that you would like to maintain, do make a backup copy of it before you actually reset it. I'll be showing you quickly how you can back up your device in a couple different ways. And I'm going to start off with probably what I consider the worst one, but I'll explain why I've also considered this to be the worst one, and you can make a decision if this is something that doesn't bother you. So let's open up our settings, and in here we're going to navigate to About Phone, in which you will find the option to backup and restore. Now this is Xiaomi, so it gives us an ample amount of ways to back up our device through, for instance, onto the device itself, onto a computer, to a program, to the cloud for Xiaomi, and also to Google Cloud. But this isn't actually all the options we have. So Google one will be the one that most people utilize. And let me try to quickly fix the screen, as it's annoying me the hell out. There we go. Okay, so now it looks a little bit better. So when you go into the Google one, you can see we have things like photos and videos, and then other device data. Now in terms of photos and videos, you're limited only to 15 gigabytes. So if you have less than 15 gigabytes, you're golden. You don't need to worry that much. Now for other device data, it tells us that it will back up things like contacts, call history, device settings, app data, SMS, and MMS messages. Now this is potentially not fully true. Some of this, what it tells us that it will do, is just absolute bullshit. So for the most part, look at it this way. Google only backs up what is in their best interest, not yours. If it's a data that they can monetize and sell, they will back it up. If it's not, they won't bother. So one thing that they won't be backing up from here, because it's completely useless to them, is app and app data. App data isn't being backed up, and apps are, well, not either. Now you can potentially restore apps that you used to have on your device, but calling it a backup is a lie, because backup would imply that there's a copy of the application that you have installed on your phone being created. If an application